Would you like to be shown how to create a landing page with Aweber that'll get you more highly qualified leads and sales? Hi, this is Michael from Viral Home Based Pursuit, and in just a moment, I'm going to go behind the scenes showing you how to exactly step by step create an amazing, highly converting, optimized landing page with Aweber. But before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I do want to let you know that I come out with videos like these on tutorials, trainings, courses, landing pages, sales pages, marketing funnels, and so much more. I do this through a business model called affiliate marketing. I also do coaching and consulting in many different areas. So if you want to learn how to grow your business much faster and more effectively, go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below, and also tap on the bell notification icon so you don't miss a future video that I come out with. All right, let's go and get started. So I'm in my Aweber account. Not sure if you have one. Maybe you are watching this and you do have one, and you are just curious about how to create something maybe fast, maybe just something simple in the beginning, and then do the whole A/B testing and then enhance them from there on. So what I did was I have my Aweber account here, and I went over to the landing pages tab. You're going to see this once you have your Aweber account, and if you don't, I'll leave. I have another video about Aweber I did a review on and a post on that, so you can also check that out. And if you decide to get your Aweber account, you can actually get one for free. Now they have a free version. They went away from just a free trial. After 14 days, you have to upgrade. Now they have a complete free version of it. And if you decide you want to go into the higher programs as well, even with the free version, I give away free bonuses, email sequences that are done for you. So all you have to do is plug them in and go along with other things too. So check out down below to get started with your free Aweber account, free trial. Okay, there are advantages to those. So I've already created one here just for the time I wanted to show you, and I'll likely go through one and create one with you, but I want to show you how this one looks. So I'm in one of my accounts, one of my lists, and if I click here, I'll show you how one of these looks. So this is what I was able to put together for a certain training, a certain program that I'm a part of. And I'm somebody who started in the health and wellness space, helping people with back pain, and been able to make thousands and thousands of dollars doing that through this specific vehicle called affiliate marketing, where I don't have to promote my own product. I can promote somebody else's proven products and services and earn a commission doing it. And now I have my own things that I do too, with my own products and stuff like that. And I've evolved over the time. So I'll also leave more information of that down below if you're interested in an opportunity like that. So step one, I have here, join the group. Step two, get the free guide. Step three, schedule a chat or a call. And then I have kind of like this, subscribe to my newsletter. So this was formatted in the way that I wanted it to be. So I was able to get it done for you template. And that's the advantage of this. You get a done for you template, so you don't have to worry about starting from scratch. What is it that's going to convert? What's not? Which means you can just go full throttle with it, set it, basically forget it, and then go back and do the responsibilities you need to do in your business or whatever that is, okay? And so here it is, step one, step two, step three, and I'll show you how you can design a template for yourself. But basically, this is what I have for a simple one, and you can name it up here. I copied this one. I had this one made on another list that I copied to this one. That's why it says copy of. But basically, you will get your elements over here, your text. You can drag and drop if I wanted to. I could put it right there. I'm going to delete that though. And then an image, a video button, form, social, smart content. Let's check this out. So you can edit it with a URL if you're trying to drag in content from, let's say, a website of yours or a sales funnel, wherever that may be. You can drag it on over there. A divider, the row. It's pretty straightforward. It's kind of what you would already see if you were creating an email, an HTML or one from scratch. You're going and creating into your email autoresponder. It's all pretty basic. If you've already worked with that functionality of it, just bringing that into the landing page side of things, it's pretty similar, except that you get templates. So let's go back here. Let's create one together. Plus, by the way, if you're new to this whole email marketing thing, I know how confusing that can be. You can waste a lot of time doing it. And if you wanted to get a free course on that, the hacks, where I show you step by step how to set up not only well, most of it will like kind of be with Aweber, but I also show you how to use email marketing just for anything and how to set them up sequences and all that so you don't get confused. Go ahead and look down below for that so you can get started with that free course. So I can go here and I can click on the green button, create a landing page, and immediately you're going to be able to choose a template. There are literally a lot of templates in here to choose from, so you can customize it for your needs. And they're just as good, if not as any other email autoresponder, or even some of the landing page building software tools, like maybe you've heard about there, such as Lead Pages, Instapages, you have ClickFunnels, GrooveFunnels, DropFunnels, you have a lot of them, okay? And I didn't even name all of them there. But, you know, the alternative to that, yeah, would be stuff like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, and so much more. But if you're just getting started, or if you're just, you know, you want to optimize and you want to use your emailing capabilities to its maximum potential, then something like Aweber you can go ahead and use, right? And there's a time and a place for these things, so you can use it for that. So if I wanted to, I can go through and see, okay, do I want a coupon opt-in? Do I want to podcast the Black Friday, the About My Store, the checklist offer, free service, link list, which I showed you just earlier, the About Me you can use as well, coaching consultation. You have the confirmed opt-in, the consultation, thank you, and simple sign-up pages you get, which is might be one you want to start with, might be what you had in mind, personal promotion, book promotions, webinars. Yeah, you can even use a webinar registration form. And if you're looking for a complete like webinar registration, I recommend something else of a webinar platform. Something that I use is kind of like ClickFunnels or GoToWebinar, Webinar Jam. There's different ones out there, but that's stuff that I can help you in time with. I've been doing this again for many years. Digital consulting, I'm a digital strategist, affiliate marketing, helped a lot of businesses grow, have my own businesses, health and wellness. This is another one as well. So blog sign up, if you have a blog, that's where I began. And so you can use that in conjunction with it. I know many people that I've helped, and when I started, I wanted to know, how do I create a landing page for my blog? I want to make sure that when somebody reads, they can also click a button and it goes into that blog sign up page, right? You might have like a widget that says, here are the 10 plus tips on how to eat healthier with keto. And then they click there, they'll go to a landing page. But for the purpose of this video, because I'm not tailoring it to just one thing, that we're going to go into the simple sign up. So let's go ahead and click that. So this is something simple, and I think I made one of these videos not too long ago about the landing page tutorial, also link down below. I'll probably go more in depth on this, but this is it. So you've seen the elements are all similar. The sign up page is already there. And it's probably not the most like fanciest looking like sign up bubble, but you can always like change the colors and stuff like that. It's still highly optimized for what you get on an email autoresponder tool, because with an email autoresponder tool, their main specialization is what? The email side of things. And maybe not the most designed optimized, but it is as good, if not as any other ones. So here it is. You can just simply, change the wordings on here if you would like to. I'm not going to do all that here. I mean, I could spend a whole day or a whole time more than I need to here showing you how to create landing pages. And I have other videos on landing pages and sales funnels where I actually do kind of go through these things. So if you want to view that, I'll have it down below in the description. So here you can go ahead and do this, integrate it. You already know it's going to be integrated with, it's not like with kind of like software landing page tools where you click on the opt-in box and you have to select, or you have to select what list you want to send it to. So when you're already here, we're in one of our lists. So automatically, it'll come to that list, if that makes sense. Like, so when somebody, normally when you like are creating something like this through your blog, you're using like the Thrive Architect or a certain theme builder tool. You may have to click here and then add the email, add the which list you want to send them to. But when you're doing it directly through here, you already have all that information. So all you have to do is select the fields you would like, the design, the name, and the email. You can always reverse them if you feel like that, or remove one or the other. Select the form field. And then you have show my privacy if you would like to, and then you have the privacy down there that we respect your privacy. It's okay either way. Depends on the audience as well. Font family, you can leave it as is or change it there. You have a whole variety of them to choose from, all from template default down to Source Sans Pro. And then the text color that can change, form type. Gives you a lot of flexibility to work with. That way you don't have to feel like you're just limited to what it gives you, because I know a lot of landing page, like free landing pages especially, will just give you a limited amount, which means you'll be able to customize it as much as you would like to for your own specific needs, your niche, and what it is you want to accomplish within your business and so forth. So you can see the link cover, you can change that if you wanted to, right? Do all sorts of things with it. Right. It's all about just getting in here, playing around with it, and then going from there. So yeah, you can change the colors of things, and then the header fonts, the buttons, the background, of course. If you don't want that background, you can remove the image, as you can see there. Body fonts, you can change that. Color, change the title or the text font there. Link covers, so forth. But it's pretty straightforward. It's very functionable, very easy to navigate through. That way you can create the landing page that you would want. So once you're done with that, go through the settings if you wish. You can even add on social sharing and tracking, preview that URL. You can use that integration with WordPress if that's what you're doing. Custom page path. So if after somebody submits it, where do you want to take them? Right, where's the redirect? Is it a thank you page you want to send them to? You can also create that within the landing pages here, and then just plug in that URL. Then you can save and exit once you're done there, as you see. Right, we got everything in place. Remember to click on that element that you want to edit. You get the changes up here you can make to them, just like when you were making an email. You can go down there, select the form field, template defaults, and so forth, and then submission. This is where you would go ahead and put the thank you page. So simple, already subscribed, thank you page, custom URL if you're going to send them somewhere. It could be another Aweber template or on your website somewhere. You can do that with your website. Remember, you can integrate Aweber with them if you haven't already. And if you're trying to start a WordPress website, which I highly recommend you do, look down below. I'll show you how to do that step by step. I have courses for that, and I'm that person who created the one blog post away challenge. It's very lucrative and popular, where I reverse engineered the whole process of building a blog. Unlike you're going to see anywhere else, everybody regurgitates the same thing, but they don't understand what actually is best for you in a sense, because it's not just get a domain and hosting from the beginning. It's let me show you the process, the mindset, and everything else in between that. So that's pretty much it. Custom URL, you get to design it. I mean, I know I could have gone as far as like, let's show you how that thank you page will look like after somebody does this, after it's live. So we can just press save and exit. And I'll show you what to do next. So now once that's saved, you can go ahead and click publish. And it's live. Okay, and you can also share this with the copy URL, the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Here's the raw URL. Here's a URL you can use. Okay, and if we click there, right, this will be it. Right, pretty straightforward and simple for what you're gonna need. It's not very like it's not like the T-Rex of all landing page builders, right? Like you would expect with a solo software, like lead pages and stuff like that. With this, you get it already integrated within your email, which is very convenient and it's very helpful. So it's all in one place. And you can get to see mobile right here, preview, click that button, edits if you want to go back in there. Shows you which ones are on your list. And again, it depends on what list you're on if you have more than one, and so forth. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then now they have that web push notifications that they've been adding, and they're coming out with a lot more things on Aweber. They're going just far and beyond just being the um, email automation tool that we know them to be with the messaging and the campaigns and so much more. They're also integrating landing pages like other ones are. So this is one I highly recommend you check out. I have another tutorial exactly on how to use the landing page. I'll leave down below. But also check out Aweber if you don't have it. I give you free bonuses that it comes with. If you need the email marketing course, go ahead and look down below, where I'll also show you how to do landing pages in there and other things. Okay. So that's everything. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're creating a landing page. What are your needs? I've helped out a lot of people with this, a lot of business owners, and yeah, I enjoy doing this. So let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon. Thanks.